So if you're a growing 3D printing business, historically the option has always been you have to build more machines in order to make more parts for your business. But that's not really the case anymore. You can actually plug a service directly into your store that has hundreds to thousands of machines that you can use in order to produce the parts for your business and have parts printed and shipped directly to your customer for you. So let's go ahead and run through that. This product is called Teleport, and it's something we created here at Slant 3D, and it's something we've worked for years, because at Slant 3D, the goal has always been, how do we make it possible for a kid in a dorm room to create a product that could sell $1 million tomorrow, but not require that they build a factory around it? That's what we got to with Teleport. We started out by building large factories. We built one of the largest print farms in the United States for many years, and then we would do mass production for corporate clients who were wanting 10,000 parts, 100,000 parts, whatever it happens to be. But then we wanted to figure out how to take that scale and bring it down so that somebody could order one part and still get the same scale benefits that come from all of those machines. And we were able to do that with Teleport. Teleport can plug directly into your e-commerce store, eBay, Etsy, Amazon, whatever it happens to be. And then when you get an order, that item is matched up to that product listing, a file is sent to us, and we print it and ship it directly to your customer for you in 3 or 4 days. That way, you don't have to build a print farm anymore. You don't have to figure out what is the greatest printer, how's it all going, figure out how to operate it, pack up boxes every single day, and figure out what to do on the weekend when a bunch of orders come in and mess up your life. Instead, you can just design a product, create an awesome business around, and allow Teleport to take care of all the production and fulfillment for you. It is a 3D printing service that has never existed before, but allows you to get access to hundreds of machines without having to buy hundreds of machines, without having to buy anything. It's free to sign up for Teleport and get started so that you can work on your business rather than working in your business. You can grow it rather than making sure just the orders of the day go out each day. So it allows you to be freed up to really create something really amazing. We just released the version 2 of Teleport, which has revamped onboarding, revamped features, a prototyper feature inside of there so you can upload models and get prints back so that you can see what it's like. You can also add in third-party components inside of it, which has never been possible with a print service. So you can make things like lamps and wireless chargers, and you have the ability to select from a multitude of different colors while still having them printed at a good resolution. Make sure you're designing good parts, because garbage in, garbage out. But if you have printed the parts reliably before and have been producing them so you know what the weirdness is in them and you're not just getting away with it, as can often happen, you are able to produce lots of parts really reliably. So if you're looking to really level up your 3D printing business without having to build a factory around yourself and let somebody else deal with that so that you can grow your business, I recommend checking out Teleport over at slantpod.com. That's slantpod.com. Have a great day, everybody.